on our pound JPY. Before you actually go, if you've not subscribed, I want you to actually subscribe to this our channel because we do analysis on our forex stocks market. So if you are interested in any, don't forget to subscribe. Now we can see on our pound JPY, I am still predicting that we would actually still go and close bullish. You see, yesterday we opened and closed bullish. We very much likely to open and close bullish again for today on our pound JPY. I would want to see that bullish move see around this our, let's mark it here around this week here, at least 166.931. Very much likely would very hit that ice, like I said, 166.931. So we would want to see an uptrend move, a bullish move against our JPY. Now let's sit on our JPY index standpoint, right? We are actually on a downward trend, right? And our price actually broke below this key level here. Let's see the key level here. Let's daily time frame. We saw our price come here, it tested, pushes up, right? We see our price come down, pushes up, then come down. We see this kind of like a double key level here where our price reacted to, and now our price has broken below it. We're very much likely to see a little bit of a retracement, right? A little bit of a retracement, a push up, then a fall again on our JPY index. So we would want to see that fall to our lowest point area here. We see the price lowest here, we see our lowest here. We very much want to see our JPY index fall to our lowest points. Then we can consider, probably consider going bearish or not. But on our daily time frame, we are looking to actually fall on our lowest points here. So that should make our pound to our JPY actually push bullish. Once our JPY index is falling, then we will be going bullish on our pound to our JPY. So daily time frame, we are aiming to go bullish. Let's see our 4-hour time frame. And our 4-hour time frame, we are on an uptrend move. You can see it, price pushes up, came here to retest this area, touches our 10 period moving average. This is my 10 period moving average. Price pushes up again, broke above our previous higher highs, right? And guess what, this was our previous higher highs here. So our price broke above it. This is the close of it. So now our price will actually come to retest. Once our price pushes up, break above our previous higher highs, we will looking for a pullback, and which we've actually gotten a pullback, and now we are aiming for a bullish move. By the way, you can see this week here, bullish candlestick. We have gotten a pullback, and now we are waiting for a bullish move on our 4-hour time frame. So our 4-hour time frame is telling us to actually take our buy, and let's see what our 1-hour time frame is showing us. Let's see if our price can break above here, this area here, then I'll consider going our buy. Let's sit here very well. If this area here, if my 1-hour time frame can break above this lows here, pushes up, it break above it, then I will say it is a good opportunity to actually take buy on our pound to our yen.